the care needs in assisted living grew so much that their staff, they didn't have enough staff to provide the same hands-on care. So a lot of the assisted living facilities started to call in caring people or any other home care agency that would be able to provide that additional support to the residents. This role is in place because it's an extra layer of support, again, not only for the resident or the client, but also for the caregiver and the family. At the start of the case, I would meet the aide at the facility to introduce them to the client, to the resident, orient them to the facility, go over whatever policies and procedures that the facility has, make sure that the aide has signed off on it, fully understands it, answer any questions. Also introduce them to the appropriate person, staff member at the facility, kind of make sure that they understand the reporting procedure, especially for clinical issues, to keep them in the facility longer without having to go to a skill. I make weekly visits. Sometimes I make 2 or 3 visits in 1 week. Depending on the case, I'll do surprise visits on the aides, just to, again, keep them on their toes and make sure that they're kind of always doing what they're supposed to be doing. During my visits, I always stop in to meet with, whether it's their director of nursing, whether it's the assisted living coordinator, the social workers in some facilities, just to kind of touch base with them.